Opposing in alternating directions, but we want to press them toward the vertical block. So horizontal block, vertical block, and that will just help, make our block flatter. So this one's going to go this way. This one is going to go this way. Grab some pins and we'll get this guy pinned up. Row 1's coming down on row 2. We're going to nest. Let's look at nesting a little bit deeper. That, not nested, but look, I just slide it over and you can see that just slip into place. You can see when there's too big of a gap, that's not nested because they're not touching. This is not touching this. That is, though. That's what nesting is. As cozy as you can get them together, the better that seam is going to come out. We're going to put a pin directly in the stitch line, and then I'm going to go and sew right across here. All sewn. Set our seam, right side down, and then we will slip our finger in and press this cross seam open, making our block nice and flat as it can be. Spritz some starch or pressing spray and press again. All right, that is block 5. I'm loving this one. This one's so cute.
Visit us at Quilt Class and watch self-paced classes for quilting big and small projects. That's quiltclass.southerncharmquilts.com.